Well, it's just past 5 o'clock in the morning, and this is when the young man moves the electric fence and moves the chicken pen. All of the chickens now are sleeping, but in a few minutes' time they're just about to have their house moved to a different position within the field. During the night, they've done their droppings underneath the house. The young man attaches the tractor to this trailer underneath the chicken house. So here we are. Off go the chickens. Into their new area. Leaving behind the manure on the ground, which fertilizes the ground for next year's growth of grass. Got to say that this trailer and chicken house are a fantastic invention. Fantastic design. This is where they get the seashells, make the shells. And of course the water. Now the tractor has been simply dropped off the trailer, the chicken house, and now he puts the electric fence around. We're talking about now 10 past 5 in the morning, where most of us are fast asleep. Now the electric fence goes out to stop the predators and also to stop the chickens wandering off into the forest. The young man that runs this chicken farm has got the art down to a T. And I can hear the chickens just can't wait to get out. Well, with the electric fence now put up all the way around, it's just time for the solar panel that generates the electricity that makes this fence electric, so that nobody, or no animal should I say, can actually be a predator because of the electric fence. This is the food. And now the chickens are being let out. First come, first served. and the chickens following the farmer. Absolutely, they are loving it. So now they're in a long row around the pen, collecting their food before they start eating the grass. Of course, the inside of the pen is completely clean because all the droppings go onto the grass to fertilize the grass for next year's growth. Now, this is where the chickens end up laying the eggs, which gets opened every morning and closed at around 3 o'clock in the afternoon. And here are the nest boxes. Literally,
Yeah, the support.
yeah. There they are. The front lifts up, and that is where the eggs lay, and it's immaculately clean. A total of 9 nest boxes or nest box areas, and the chickens literally, within no time at all, will start to jump up into the nest boxes and lay their eggs. Fresh eggs, freshly produced organically. And here are the young ladies all in a row. Almost a complete semicircle with the chickens. And now the water. And simply connect it up to the trailer. So simple, all automatic. Well, the whole process has taken around 40 minutes, setting up the new pen, which then goes on for 2 days. So in other words, they're in this pen now for 2 days before such time as they move to the next pen. The solar panel system, which runs the electric fence, which stops the foxes and other predators from the ground, is up and running. And now it's time for the chickens to finish their food and think about laying. So I'm going to come back, and the first collection of the eggs takes place around about 9:30. It's 9 o'clock in the morning, and the chickens know the farmer is about to turn up and pick up the eggs, and given them a little treat to eat. As I move across the field, the chickens are actually chasing after me, thinking I'm the chicken farmer. Come on, chickies, come on. Chick, 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 come on. Come on, chickies. Chick, 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 chick. Chick, 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 chick. It's actually a really nice feeling to walk around the pen and they're actually chasing after me. Chick, 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 chick. Chick, chick, chick. I wonder how many times I could walk around the pen with them chasing me before they realise. But suddenly Farmer John is here. They leave me and they run across the field to greet him. Well, here at the new chicken farm in Uddeholm, the chickens are being fed. The eggs that these chickens produce are totally free range. All in the row as they have been fed. And believe it or not, when you get this close, they even smell like chickens. "350 beautiful hens in beautiful countryside, supplying local eggs for local people." And here, in this fantastic contraption, of course, is the calcium, shells from the sea. And now, this is where the chickens sleep. All 350 of them. And of course, their eggs. Brown eggs for brown-eyed people. It's amazing the innovation of people from Hagfors. This is a solar panel, but is used to charge electricity for the electric fence. And these little hens are actually coming up to talk to me. And this is run by local people. Even though the lady comes from Finland, she still now considers herself to be local in the area as the new chicken farmer. This is their water. And this is how they walk up into their house. Right up inside. This is an old farm trailer to simply make it easy to pull it around the field. Hello girls. Hello girls, what is it you're looking for there? This is happy chickens in a happy little farm. And this is the old farm trailer. Hitch it up and along comes the chicken house. Let's go down and talk to some of the chickens. Hello girls. Literally at feeding time, it's rows upon rows of chickens. Now you've got to also understand that you're able to actually buy the eggs from this farm. You go onto Facebook and you can actually purchase these eggs, these free-range eggs from free-range chickens that are very, very happy. And I'm going to take you in, I'm going to show you some eggs. Look at the brown eggs there. And here you can also buy the special eggs, which is called the double yolker. This one has probably got 2 yolks in it. After all, these are not supermarket eggs. These are super eggs. And here we are. A young lady here is collecting beautiful eggs for beautiful people that live in Hagfors Kommun. And this is their little nest boxes. Ja. So wonderful to listen to these chickens. So wonderful to realize that they're in complete nature. And they've all got their own little characters. And as I walk along, they're actually following me. They've all got a lot to say and a lot of eggs to lay. Even the horses, as they come past, are looking at the chickens. There we are. So if you want to be a chicken farmer in Hagfors Kommun, it's very easy, as can be seen by this new chicken farm here in Uddeholm. And if you want naturally produced eggs locally in Hagfors Kommun, then of course come here and be part of this wonderful, wonderful little chicken farm here with fresh eggs every morning. So don't forget that you can come here on a Sunday. I'm going to show you now where the road is and where you come up to the farm, see the hens and buy free range fresh eggs from these young ladies, and of course the farmer himself. Well, here we are on the road from Uddeholm to the riding stables, the old road into Hagfors. And here, believe it or not, is a chicken farm. It has been established in 2022 to supply fresh, free-range eggs to the people and the area of Hagfors Kommun. You can come up here on a Sunday, up here, and meet the chickens and buy fresh, free-range eggs. Well, here we are on a really wet day. And how are the chickens looking today? It's pouring down, and the chickens are completely wet, yet they thoroughly seem to be enjoying themselves. Wet chickens, wet day, and how beautiful they're looking. The 350 little beauties. Beautiful chickens, beautiful place, beautiful farm.